Bodhida. Welcome to this EWC Day introductory video. My name is Hazel Hager, and I'm the chair of the EWC Initial Teacher Education Accreditation Board.
Hello, my name's John Furlong, and over the past few months, Hazel and I have been working with colleagues from across Wales planning this special EWC event. The theme is Keeping Reform on Track, Realising ITE in Wales.
As you know, here in Wales, we are pioneering an entirely new approach to ITE, one in which schools and universities take equal responsibility and work collaboratively in the preparation of new teachers. Although in the past there have been individual courses based on such principles, Wales is the first country in the world to try and develop an entire national system based on these collaborative principles. It is both an important and exciting innovation. We are, however, only too aware that the new model has come at a time when everyone in education has been massively stretched, where schools and universities have been finding it challenging just to keep going, let alone implement an entirely different way of working. That's why we've chosen the theme of the day as Keeping Reform on Track. At a time of the year when inevitably we all need to start thinking and planning for next year's programmes, we thought it would be a good idea to come together across the whole of Wales to share our experiences thus far, to talk about our challenges, to talk about our achievements, and most importantly of all, to talk about what we have learned.
Okay, well, we've organised the day into 3 different sections, and each of them looks at a different dimension of the new scheme. So for each of these different themes, there are case studies drawn from 3 different partnerships across Wales. The first theme is called Living the Partnership, and that focuses on the realities of collaborative planning and day-to-day working in the new schemes. So here we have Swansea University Partnership, Aberystwyth ITE Partnership, and the University of South Wales ITE Partnership. The next theme is mentoring, and that looks at what mentoring comes to mean in this new model. So here we have Ieithrova, Caban, and the University of South Wales ITE Partnership. And then the final theme focuses on integration. Here we want to look at how courses bring together knowledge from both schools and universities in supporting student teachers learning. So here we have Cardiff Partnership, the Open University Partnership, and Ieithrova. And the purpose of this introductory video is to give you some preliminary insights into what's going to be covered in these different case studies. Please do take time to look at it before the event itself. It'll help us all get the most out of what we hope is going to be a really productive day, allowing us to celebrate what we've achieved so far and to share what we've learned as we look forward towards the next academic year. Thank you very much indeed.
Diolch yn fawr.